Hi guys, this is Quantitative. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a mode, both ungrouped data and the grouped data. For ungrouped data, a mode is not calculated. It is the number that occurs the most. In this case, the number that occurs the most is 5, which means the mode is 5. There are two fives, which means the mode is 5. Now for the grouped data. A grouped data is a data summarized into a frequency distribution table, as you can see. Now how do we calculate a mode? Firstly, you determine the modal class. How do you determine a modal class? It is the interval with the highest frequency. So the highest frequency is 43. So the modal class is 50 up to less than 60. So the modal class is 50 to less than 60. And then this is the modal class. Modal class. This is the modal class. And then determine the mode using this formula, which is the lower limit of the modal class plus the class width into frequency of the modal class minus frequency of the preceding class, which is a class before the modal class. Then divide by 2 times the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency of the preceding class, which is the class before, minus the frequency of the following class. So there's the formula. Now let us substitute. Lower limit of the modal class. These are the limits. This is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So the lower limit is 50. Plus the class width. The class width is the difference between the intervals. 60 minus 50 is 10 into frequency of the modal class. So the frequency of the modal, there's the modal class. So the frequency of the modal class is 53 minus the frequency of the preceding class, which means the class before the modal class. So there's the class before the modal class, which is 29. This is the frequency of the modal class, which is this one. And this is the frequency of the preceding class, which is the class before, which is 29. Then close over 2 times the frequency of the modal class, which is 43, minus the frequency of the preceding class, which is the class before, 29, minus the frequency of the following class, which is this one. There's the modal class, then there's the following class. This is the class before, which is a preceding class, This is the following class. So it's 33. So the mode is equal to 55,883. So these are the class limits, which means your mode or your answer of the mode must not be less than 50 and must not be more than 60. When it is less than 50, which means there's something wrong that you did. So my work here is done. Until next time, bye.